How to fix mouse scroll not working on Windows. 1. Check for existing batteries and mouse cable. 2. Disconnect mouse and reconnect it to your PC. 3. Ensure that mouse wheel is dust and damage free. 4. Update mouse drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Adjust scroll settings for your mouse, increase the slider for the lines to scroll at a time in Windows settings. 6. Configure mouse properties to adjust wheel settings, increase the count for vertical and horizontal scrolling.